All right, nice and winter, and basically we are getting ready to make our final payment for the Kubota here. It's B2650. This was purchased in February of 2018. We are showing 599.4 hours, so 600 hours. About 3 months ago, battery started acting funny like that. So I've been jumping it with a jump pack. I only had to use it a couple times. I was waiting for a battery to come in. We do have a battery ordered. We'll be picking this up tomorrow. But let's see what we got to do to get this out of here. It looks like we're going to need a 10 mil for our positive and our negative. And this is kind of just held down with that. It's got a nice little handle, it looks like. Does this turn and come up? Oh, it's got a little hook on it. All right. Alright, so we got our 10 mil. Busy trying to lean in here and not hit my greasy loader arm. There's our ground. I mean, everything looks good, no corrosion. Look, little chrome pieces snapped off the back of the emblem. There's one left holding it in place. That's funky. Let's take a look at that quick. Look, you can see it's lifted up on that side. Kind of hard to see in there. I don't know if you're getting it with the camera. But we can toss them. Got a little bit of dirt down there. Everything looks good. Alright, let's check this battery out. Alright, now this thing says indicator. Okay, green. I mean, if you look, we're pretty clean on our battery terminals. No problems there. So this is supposed to be what's it called? SAE, which I don't know, EN. I don't think that's, maybe that's a metric measurement. Let's test this. So even down to 375, we don't have nothing. It is weird that this says it's okay, but like I said, I looked at that cold test. The cold test a little bit more, but it's down the whole way. And I did charge this, so it's just that's not charging, or this battery is just that bad, which I believe the battery is just at its age. Nothing's worn through, nothing's swelled. Maybe, nope, no swelling on the battery, so it actually looks pretty good. Alright, well, I'm taking this to get another one. I'll get a video or a picture of it side by side with that one, and I'll add that in, and then we'll do the install and get this thing fired up. But pretty good usage out of a battery. I did want to add that it is January 2025, so you know, 2018 to now. All right, back at the Kubota again. Just figure, dust this out here. Usually like to clean this thing before winter. We didn't do that this year. So, I was able to pick up the battery today. So let's get it installed, and hopefully we can get another 5+ years out of this battery. But it seems like any of the newer batteries now don't last as long. I don't know why, even with proper maintenance. This up, slide it in. So hold down, get our wing nut off of here. Pretty easy. Cap slid off pretty easy. Shouldn't need this anymore, so we can put that on. Let's fire this thing up. Sure, this is noisy, but that definitely made a difference. I'm going to let it sit here and run a couple minutes just to make sure, since I fired it up, and I'm going to be pretty happy with that. So it is, let's get this date down. So, Tuesday, January 28th, 2025, we have a new battery installed in the Kubota. I'm going to be using this thing. I'm going to switch over to my forks here today. And we're going to move, I got to move a truck bed. So it's kind of nice to actually have that. So we're going to pick this thing up and get it out of here because we just got done putting a bedside on it. And then we got to do some work on the truck. But, with that being said, we're happy that the Kubota's up and running now. And you know, long-term review, 600 hours is how long my battery lasted in my Kubota, my 2018 b2650. So till the next tractor video, we'll see you.